Awesome! Free flowers. What? What is this? Whoa! This is like a luxury hotel for bees or something. Oh my god. Honeytail, some zzz for bees. It is a... Oh my god, it is a hotel for bees. Ah! Just so you know, what is this? Gloria the glowing bee? Alright. I know what to do. Come on. Gloria. This is how we go home. Oh. Let's go. Yes, thank you, villager. Yes, you are so helpful. So helpful, so kind. Thank you so much, villager. All right, let me go back to explore the hotel. Wowie, oh, it's so beautiful. I wish Ruby-chan could see this. Should I take the banners? They kind of have a lot of them, so like, what are they gonna do with this many banners? Why is that bee on fire? Are you okay? Pyro the burning bee! Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Kidnapping? No. Rehoming the bee. Rehoming it. Giving it a new and better and safer home. It should be safer. Yeah.